Welcome to Phalcon tutorial. Today I'll talk you to Phalcon tutorial part 8. Before watching this tutorial, those who have not seen tutorial part 6 should watch this tutorial 6. Otherwise you will not understand anything in part 8. In this part I will discuss about the Phalcon Volt engine. So let's begin. What actually is the Phalcon Volt engine? Phalcon Volt engine is actually a front-end HTML editor or HTML template engine. As in part 6, I am using PHP where I am design template using raw PHP code. From here, I will develop my app using Volt engine. So why am I using Volt engine is if I can edit HTML with core PHP. That is because PHP is great to develop both front-end and back-end. But Volt is developed only to develop the HTML part of frontend, so you can develop fast. Now I will show how to install DI container by default. I have already shown how to add view option to DI container. If you write this word in the view option, the Volt engine will be done. Finally write this script, then your Volt engine is set. Now let's start code writing. First I change my file type. My present file type name is .html and I will replace this .volt. Now replace this content. I replace only a function, curly bracket and content. Okay. I delete each of the thing my layout is delete. And save. And my controller base set template after option. This option I delete everything. Yes, delete. Now check. Yes, there have nothing. Now open index controller for this controller. Sorry, I have a mistake. That is content. Okay, and delete this. Before I explain how to pass data with controller to view, and this kind of data I transfer inside on this space and show on there this data I pass. Now use bold syntax. I also cut not necessary file, main bold index.php. Now I show this variable inside on my view templates. First variable name is invoice and I use this cut curly bracket and write this invoice. Save and open browser. As this data show on our table, our templates. Check this bold syntax, how to use this. This curly bracket is important when you show any variable inside on your templates. Now use another example, that is I show another array variable. Our first array variable is user, curly bracket user, and I show this name copy and this first type dot and name. I hope this data is true inside on these templates. I fetch an warning. Let's check what is the problem. I change the name with direct organic method, that is like as PHP array calling system. As John. This method is work. I also separate this. This is direct HTML tag, as our HTML tag is worked. Now I use another method, index controller. Now I write this method inside on there. Curly bracket, tab double, and write dot 0. Okay, and reload. As Mitchell. Again type second parameter 1. I use and reload as Cameroon. Second variable is show up. Now I use two-dimensional array. I write a two-dimensional array inside on there. Two-dimensional array, 2D. Dimension 2D. Copy and paste. My debug options say that is not curly bracket, it is third bracket. As I change this bracket, curly bracket to angular bracket. And save. Okay, I use this array inside on there. Dimension master dimension 2D. Okay. Back to index.bolt option and try another. Master open browser. I paste again a warning. Type name. Yes, it's worked. Again check. Yes. Now I use the comments. I change second curly bracket to hashtag hash. Okay. And valid. Yes. Our hashtag. Sorry, our comments is worked. Next, I use if-else statement. If-else statement is Check Phalcon if else statement is there. Yes, it is if else statement. Now I use this. If username is this username is equal to Cameron. Then I use this. Then it was show else show this last index username Cameron. Check again, username Cameron, but their name is first name is Mitchell. It is false if else statement. Check now. Mitchell Dewey. Our result for this statement, else statement. Mitchell Dewey. Now I change this. Username John Doe, copy and paste on there. Try again. Okay, John Doe. Our if else statement is success. To write perfectly bold syntax, you must use these add-ons. Type this extension Phalcon Volt. I already installed this extension. Look at that. If you try simply only one sentence, then the Phalcon Volt extension write others and take a reference. Back to our folder, cut and go to our website. Look at that, our front end option. There have different type of syntax and logic. If you want to perform this, read these documents. Loop content and array. Our array syntax. Next topics I describe Phalcon extend method. Thanks for watching.